Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Frigidaire dishwasher pump cover. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new pump cover. The pump cover covers up the top of the pump, and it also supplies water to the lower spray arm. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's damaged and your dishes aren't getting clean. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can take out the lower dish rack. All you have to do is pull it out and set it aside. Now that we have the dish rack out, we have to reach in and take out the lower spray arm. It's just clipped in right here. All you have to do is pull up on it to get it to release. Once you have it off, you can set it aside. Then we can take off all the filters. We have the coarse filter right here. Has a little clip right here. All you have to do is kind of pull on this tab towards you and lift up on it. Once you have it free, you can pull it out and set it aside. Then we can take off the support. We have to turn this clockwise over to 3 o'clock. Once you have it turned, you just have to lift it up and pull it out. Then you can set it aside. Then we can take out this whole filter basket assembly. We're just going to reach in and lift up on it and pull it out. With the filters out of the way, we can take off the pump cover. We're going to use a Torx 20 driver to take out the screws. Once you have all the screws out, we can lift the pump cover off. If it's stuck in there, you might have to rock it back and forth a little bit. Once you have it free, you just lift it straight up and out of the dishwasher. Here's the old pump cover next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new pump cover in, all you have to do is set it into place. Once you have it all the way in, we can use the Torx 20 driver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws in, we can put the filters back in. When you put the big filter in, you want to make sure that this opening in the filter lines up with the opening in the sump right here. Once you have it lined up, you can just set the filter into place. Once you have the filter in, we can put the spray arm support on. We're just going to set it down so it points over at 3 o'clock. And then turn it counterclockwise to lock it in. Once you have it in, we can put the coarse filter in. All you have to do is line it up and snap it in. Now that we have the coarse filter in, we can put the spray arm on. All you have to do is line it up with the support, snap it on. Once you have it on, it should spin freely. And then we can put the lower dish rack back in. To put the lower rack back in, all you have to do is set it down and push it back into the dishwasher. Once you have it all the way in, you can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.